The beliefs around loyalty, be patient, wait your turn, do not serve you. In fact, the client I was talking with earlier, who's joining Acts of Confidence, who had been overlooked for a promotion, I asked her where did she want to be in 3 years' time, and she told me. And then I said to her, okay, great. So if I asked you to do that job tomorrow, could you do it? Not perfectly, but could you do it at a 6 or a 7? And she said, yes. Secondly, to be able to articulate and share your value, Act of Confidence number 2, to be able to get really clear about who you are, what your skill, capability, and experience is, and how do we make sure that the decision makers know all that you know, so that when they are making decisions about who to appoint into these roles, that they are armed with the information that you have in your head, right? That you actually do have the skill, capability, and experience. You know, Fee, I think in the hundreds of clients we've worked with individually on their goals, and we've been talking about career progression, they've given us timeframes out. When we ask them that question, yes or no, could you do the role tomorrow? Every single one of them says yes. Step 1, get clear, awareness. What's going on for you? What opportunities are available to you in your organization? Step 2, acceptance. My skill, capability, experience. Does that match here? Step 3, take action. Whether that's in your current organization or outside your organization. And step 4, amplify who you are. All designed on purpose, right? Stacking on top of each other, because it's very hard to amplify something that's hollow. If we haven't done the work around what's going on for you, what are the roadblocks, if that's not done on a solid foundation, when we go out and we share that with people, it will feel hollow. People will feel the rocky foundation. And so this 4-step strategy to develop your awareness, to get really aligned and connected with who you are and who you're not, right? Our ability to recognize what we're not good at from a place of personal power is really valuable. And then to start to activate. As we activate, we get feedback. And we won't share more about Jen's story, but you know, her journey in terms of getting out there and taking action and learning the lessons and getting the feedback and what's next. You know, she's an incredible example of someone who is rock solid on her skill, capability, experience, the value she brings, the problems she solves, and then is out in the world in her industry and positioning herself. And as you do that, opportunities come to you, right? They find you because you're visible, right? You're visible to people for whom your skill, capability, experience is valuable.